TestNinja is a codeless test automation tool, enabling you to write your test steps in simple English. No programming knowledge is required for testing on this tool. Use plain English to create test steps, and let the tool do all the heavy work. No complex setup is required. Open the tool, add your application, and start creating test steps. Some unique features like real-time execution and incremental test writing, where testers can run test cases and investigate the process, as the tool executes all steps in real time, and is able to add new test steps in continuation, enabling them to run steps from any point. Performance testing allows testers to record and register performance issues that may be arising due to back-end issues, coding issues, or background processing, allowing the development team to fix them. With UAT, you can review applications to your client and get their feedback in the same window. This enables the client to have a demo and provide feedback at the same time in the testing stage. A simple process of writing test steps, running them in real time, adding incremental test steps, checking performance issues, and engaging with clients on UAT. A total testing solution in one tool. We provide you with superior quality assurance, increased productivity, and a higher return on investment, with lower maintenance costs. TestNinja, transforming automation testing. A product of Talent Expert.